There is a table. There are books on it. Just two small phrases, but they help you describe the world around you. Let's learn how to use them. When we talk about singular, that is one thing or one person, we use there is. So it can be singular nouns and uncountable nouns, uncountable things as well. So, for example, there is a book on the table. There is some water in the glass. So, water is uncountable. We can't say one water, two water, etc. So, we use there is for uncountable things. For plural nouns, we use there are. There are three books on the table. There are many people in the room. So, we need to look at the word after there is or there are and think about it whether it's singular or plural. For negative, we use there isn't. There isn't a book on the table. There isn't any water in the glass. For plural negative, we use there aren't. There aren't any books on the table. There aren't many people here. Some more examples. There is a car parked outside. There are many students in the classroom. So, a car, there is, many students, there are. There isn't a book on the shelf. There aren't any flowers in the vase. Now, let's try to solve these exercise. So, we need to look at the rest part of the sentence, whether it's singular or plural. A castle, singular. There is a castle. A lot of restaurants, plural. There are a lot of restaurants. There is a hospital. There is a swimming pool. There are two cinemas. There is a university. There there isn't any big hotels. So because we are using any here, it should be negative. So we use any for negative or questions. Now let's try to make sentences about our town or the town that we know using there is or there aren't, etc. So try that by yourself. So I can say there is a school in my town. There isn't any university. There is a hospital. There are many supermarkets. There are many fields. There are many mosques. Cantham isn't an old town. There isn't any ancient buildings. Look, there is a picture of your sister in the magazine. Excuse me, is there a supermarket near here? Yes, around the corner. There are five members in my family: my parents, my brother, my sister, and me. How many players are there in the team? 11. This street is usually very busy. There isn't much space to park. Is there a train to the city center? Yes, every 15 minutes. Are there any seats available? No, the theater is full. There is nowhere to sit down because there aren't any benches. There are 7 days in a week. There are 8 planets in the solar system. There are 11 players in a football team. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. There are 30 days in September. There is a train at 10:30. Is it a fast train? I'm not going to buy this jacket. It's too pricey. What's wrong? There is something in my eye. There is a blue car outside your house. Is that yours? Is it yours? Is there anything interesting on TV tonight? Yes, there is a documentary at 9. What's that building? It's a museum. Is there a cafe in this park? No, I'm afraid not. In today's video, we learned that we can talk about things around us using there is if it's one thing that's singular, and there are in case of plurals. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.